Good morning, dear students. You are once more welcome to this our online lesson. I hope that all of you are in the classroom and you are ready for the lesson. It's Biology Form 4 and we're looking today at the continuation of our chapter, Transport in Animals. And our lesson of today, our lesson of today will be focused on blood circulation in the heart. And with this, we'll have our plan. For our plan, we'll have the introduction. We'll review the previous lesson. We'll get our lesson objectives. And then we'll get the lesson itself, the presentation of the lesson, which has to do with the structure of the heart. And then we'll see how blood circulates in the heart. And then we'll have the activity for the day. So our introduction here will make a review of our previous lesson that was on the blood vessels. We're on the blood vessels when we mention the three types of blood vessels, which were the three types of blood vessels. Yes, we say the artery. Yes, we say the veins. Yes, we say the capillaries. These were the main vessels, and for each vessel, we are able to give structure and function. Like for the artery, we said arteries, they are found deep in the body. The arteries, they have a small lumen blood space. They have thick and elastic walls, and they transport oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery. And the arteries, they carry blood away from the heart. Those are some of the things we are mentioning about artery. The veins, like the arteries, they say the veins have thin and less elastic walls. Thin and less elastic walls. And they have a larger lumen. And blood flow in veins is due to the presence of valves in veins that maintain the unidirectional flow of blood, as compared to arteries where blood flow was due to high blood pressure, but in veins it's due to the valves that helps blood to flow in veins. And we say veins are found superficially on the body, and the veins, they transport deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein. And we mentioned that veins carry blood into the heart. Then we have arteries. We say they are one cell thick. One cell thick. They are found intermediately between the arteries and the veins. And we said arteries are the capillaries, repeatedly branched, permeable walls. And I ask you, when you say they are repeatedly branched, they have permeable walls, they are thin. What does that imply? And then we ended up looking at the differences between arteries and veins. This is just to give a review of our last lesson. Today we have our objectives. And by the end of this lesson, I expect you to draw clearly the structure of the heart and to explain, describe how blood moves into the heart and out of the heart. That's blood circulation in the heart, how blood circulates in the heart. Take note that in this blood circulation, we will be seeing what we earlier mentioned as double circulation. Lesson, and we'll begin with the structure of the heart. And when we look at the structure of the heart, we'll discover that the heart is having how many chambers, as we mentioned? Yes, 4 chambers. We have the upper chambers, 2 of them, called the auricles. Here they are written right atrium. This word atrium is another name for auricle. Take note. In your diagram, you may see auricle. So if they say right atrium and right auricle, it is the same. So we have the auricle and then the ventricles. And how does blood flow in the heart? We mentioned that the heart is divided into 2 parts, the left and the right. And we said oxygenated blood is entering the heart through the left part. So the left part of the heart contains oxygenated blood and the right part contains deoxygenated blood. So blood enters the heart through the pulmonary vein. It is coming from the lungs. They know the pulmonary vein carries blood from the lungs to the heart. It leaves enters the heart through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium, or you call it left auricle, into the left atrium. From there, these valves on the left, called bicuspid valves, they open and blood enters the right ventricle. Then when the ventricles contract, the blood now is sent out through the semilunar valves to the aorta. We said the aorta is the largest artery, and this largest artery, it now supplies, it carries and supplies blood to all parts of the body through the different vessels that link up the parts of the body. The main vessel, the main artery is the aorta that leaves the heart carrying oxygenated blood. Then, when the cells and tissues make use of oxygen, food, and other nutrients in blood, the blood returns to the heart as deoxygenated blood through the vena cava, which is the largest vein. It enters the right atrium, or you call it right auricle. Then these valves on the right, called the tricuspid valves, open. Then blood enters the right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle, it is passed through the semilunar valves and then leaves the heart through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, where it receives oxygen and the process begins. So looking at this, we'll discover that blood enters the heart, leaves as oxygenated, then enters the heart again and leaves as deoxygenated blood. It means blood enters and leaves the heart how many times? Yes, 2 times. And that's why we say this type of circulation is referred to as a double circulation. We'll just get into the process to see what we have just mentioned using our diagram of the heart. So we mentioned here that the heart is a powerful pumping organ of the body. It is enclosed in a thin membrane called pericardium. It is found in the thoracic cavity. It consists of 4 chambers, which are 2 upper chambers called auricles and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. The right auricle, the left auricle, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The walls of the ventricle are thicker than those of the auricle. The heart is divided into 2 parts by a central wall. Take note, this is wall, not well, central wall called septum. The left side of the heart contains oxygenated blood, while the right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the heart through the pulmonary vein into the left auricle. The bicuspid valves open and blood enters the left ventricle. The left ventricle, take note, is ventricle. The left ventricle pumps out blood through the semilunar valves into the aorta. The aorta supplies all the body parts with oxygenated blood. After making use of oxygen and other nutrients, blood returns to the heart as deoxygenated blood. It is channeled through the vena cava, which is the largest vein, into the right auricle. The tricuspid valves open and blood enters the right ventricle. The ventricles pump out blood through the semilunar valves into the pulmonary artery, where it is transported to the lungs. This is just what we are explaining using the diagram of the heart. Then we said valves are bicuspid valves and tricuspid. What does that mean? We say bicuspid valves have two flaps, while the tricuspid valves have three flaps. The valves, take note, it is valves. The valves are attached to the inner walls of the ventricles by non-elastic cords called cordae tendinae, cord and tendons. The structure of the heart always indicates the tendons that link the two hearts. Looking at circulation of blood in the heart, it is clear that blood enters and leaves the heart twice to complete a cycle, and hence it is described as a double circulation. We call it double circulation. This is just adding. Then we'll end up with this activity. First question: why are the walls of the ventricle thicker than those of the auricle? Why are the walls of the ventricles thicker than those of the auricles? Next, why is the left ventricle deeper than the right ventricle? Next, what is the importance of dividing the heart into two halves? What is the importance of dividing the heart into two halves? This is our lesson for today. I want to thank you for being there, for participating in the lesson. You have any problem, you always write and send for clarification. Take note, this is not time to be lazy. You have to sit up and follow up your lessons. Therefore, you will not regret at the end. But you only regret if you are not following up the lesson. I want to wish you a nice day and God bless you.